My name's Don Moss. I'm the systems engineer with McCain, based in Southern California. I work primarily on software, controller software. It's my 37th year, and I've enjoyed many IMSAs through that time. So we're demonstrating the latest of ATC cabinet technology. Cabinet behind me is actually a 32-channel. Familiar with NEMA TS2? That was a 16-channel world. Now we've advanced it into the 32-channel world. We accommodate multiple detectors, talks two different protocols. So ATC cabinets are McCain, I'm very proud to say, originated and finished the ATC standard that had been left behind. And so today, you'll see many vendors here now demonstrating ATC as well. Top 2 or 3 features of ATC are safety is number one. There's no exposed AC voltage in these cabinets. Go and find a Caltrans cabinet or a NEMA cabinet. There are hundreds of points of electrical contact. Here we have 0. The second benefit, and probably the most important thing, is that we monitor the emergency flasher. You could go to any cabinet in North America today, pull out the flasher. Now tonight, if it goes into flash, signals would be dark. They don't even know that it's present or that it's gone. So not only do we test it for presence, but operational. That'd be the second. And the third is we are moving toward a low power, low voltage. McCain is the only manufacturer who produces ATC cabinets in DC variants of 48 volts DC. Safety is obviously critical, both for the drivers as well as the people, monitoring the flasher clearly for the people, and then trying to have a lower footprint by allowing us to use 48 volt power. So we like to support IMSA, both myself personally as well as McCain, because this is one of the components of our industry that really reaches across the disciplines. We'll have field technicians, we'll have traffic engineers, we'll have software people like me who all come together for this meeting. It's a big tenet of our industry.
Hi, my name is Jay Sweeney with SWARCO McCain, and I'm with the sign division. And we provide blank out signs and variable speed limit signs, lane control signs, and dynamic message signs from front access to walk-in housings. SWARCO has a lens type application that has a low power consumption so that full colored signs are not drawing as much power anymore. We have a high contrast ratio with a black background that you don't have the lens or polycarbonate face that produces a glare off the signage during the nighttime or raining. The large walk-in signs are one of the newer approaches that we're seeing in the highway divisions. They're also moving towards the front access signs that are on the side of the roadways that are producing wide angle viewing angles for offsetting the DMS, so there's not as much structure requirements for across the highways. A lot of the DOTs are moving to the full colored so that they actually can mimic a static sign panel on the highway. And there's a lot of applications out there already that are moving to that design. And the MUTCD is coming out with a new manual this year, or hopefully next year by May, that will require that the signage has edge-to-edge LEDs so that they can mimic a full static sign without the black border around it. So the connected vehicles are able to read the signs correctly and distinguish between, a static sign and a regular, highway sign. Well, this is my first time at the IMSA. I'm on a panel tomorrow discussing the MUTCD changes and upcoming changes in the new manual, actually, at meetings at 10:30 tomorrow with Joanne Conrad. We're looking forward to doing a lot of business on the East Coast. I represent the east of the Mississippi, and it's an area that we're concentrating in.